Hello everyone, I Balusha welcome you all in Education and Information Class 12 English New Syllabus in the series of Class 12 English video. Today we will learn appreciation of the poem. Video on various topics of Class 12 English textbook is created. You will get the link in description box. I request go through it. Let's learn appreciation of poem 2.4 How You Earn Your Tomorrow. And theme of the poem is Build Your Own Tomorrow Today. How You Earn Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. This poem is explained in detail. You will get the link in description box. And yes, my dear friend, we will begin. Appreciation How You Earn Your Tomorrow. दोस्तों, ये क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में या किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में, टर्मिनल एग्ज़ाम में, प्रिलिमिनरी एग्ज़ाम में कंपलसरी पूछा जाता है फॉर 4 मार्क्स के लिए ऑन एनी वन ऑफ पोएम. Question will be like this. Write a poetic appreciation of the poem How You Earn Your Tomorrow with the help of the following points. About the poem, poet and the title. The theme, poetic style, language, poetic devices. Special features, message, values, morals in the poem. Your opinions about the poem. These 4 points, any of this can be asked for the 4 marks and 1 point is for the 1 marks. ये 4 points है, 4 points के लिए 1-1 marks रहेगा. सो आपको एक्सप्लेन इसको करना है. यू नीड टू राइट द पॉइंट, अंडरलाइन इट एंड स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन आंसर शीट. लेट्स बिगिन वन बाय वन. अबाउट द पोएम, पोएट एंड द टाइटल. अबाउट द पोएम. See here, I will just go on explaining about the poem, poet, title and all the topic. I will not go in detail. If you want to learn the poem in detail, go through the description box. You will get the link of this poem. And yes, we will begin now. How You Earn Your Tomorrow is an inspirational poem. In this poem, the speaker is asking the readers whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. It is up to you whether you will have a better future or not. Therefore, one should consider one's action and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. About the poet, Edgar Guest is known as people's poet for his simple style and optimistic tone of writing. Guest is an American writer of newspaper and magazine. About the title How You Earn Your Tomorrow is very introspective. It suggests that everyone should analyze his or her actions whether it is good or bad, useful or not. The title also promote do good deeds for better future. Tomorrow means future, the world, and so title is apt. Second point, theme, poetic devices, language, style. Second, theme, poetic devices, language, style. About the theme, the poem, the speaker is asking the readers, you, whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. It is up to you whether you will have a better future or not. Therefore, one should consider one's action and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for better future. Next, poetic devices, language, style. It is a 4-verse poem that is divided into sets of 4 lines, quatrains. The rhyme scheme pattern of the stanza is AA, BB, CCA, DDE, FFAA, stanza wise. The poetic devices like interrogation, alliteration, inversion, antithesis, personification and synecdoche is used in the poem. The poet uses interrogative style to elaborate his idea of goodness. Next point, special features, values, message. Special features, tone and type. The poem is written in interrogative tone where a number of probing questions to a reader about how they spend their days. This special feature of poetry written in a question leaves deep impact on the reader's mind and it compels to think them on it. Values message. The present poem gives a great message of good deeds. One should consider one's action and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. In this world, you have to earn your tomorrow with your good action.
इस वीडियो को व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक
The last point, your opinion about the poem. I like this poem very much because it gives an inspiration. And the last point, your opinion about the poem. I like this poem very much because it gives an inspiration to be a good human being. It gives me positive attitude of act well. It is very inspirational poem. It gives me message like how far that little candle throws his beams. So shines for good deeds in a weary world. So I like this poem. इन दिस सेक्शन यूर ओपिनियन अबाउट सजेशन. अब आपका खुद का ओपिनियन पोएम के बारे में लिख सकते हो. आपने रिलीवेंट पोएम के खुद का ओपिनियन लिखा तो आपको कौन सा भी मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. नॉट नेसेसरी यू हैव टू कॉपी दिस सेक्शन. एटलीस्ट योर ओपिनियन अबाउट द पोएम यू राइट टू as it is in your answer sheet. And I hope you understand the appreciation of how you earn your tomorrow, and it's a interesting poem, and yes, it teaches us much more thing about life. These few lines for you, it should not include in your appreciation part. After all, kindness doesn't cost anything. A little act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Be kind, spread happiness, spread love, and earn your tomorrow. Thank you and all the best.